All right, friends, we're here to go over Eureka Grade 4, Module 5, Lesson 37, or specifically what our community goes over on May 1st. So we're looking at multiplying mixed numbers. Let's first just review how we would multiply a fraction. So if I have 5 times 2/4, remember, friends, all this is saying is that I have 5 groups of 2/4. So I have 2/4, 2/4, 2/4, 2/4, 2/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 2/4. So I can skip count by 2/4 just like I would skip count by groups of 2. So I have 2/4, 4/4, 6/4, 8/4, 10/4. So altogether, this would be 10/4. I'm not multiplying my denominator because I'm just copying 2/4 5 times. I'm just multiplying within that unit of fourths. All right, let's go ahead and apply this to multiplying mixed numbers. Let's say that I have 6 times 2 3/5. I am going to go ahead and take this step by step with my mixed numbers. So what I'm first going to do is I'm first going to think about what is 6 times 2, which I know I meant for that to be in a different color. 6 times 2, there we go, which would give me 12. All right, now I need to think about 6 times 3/5. I would have 3/5, 6/5, 9/5, 12/5, 15/5, 18/5, because 6 times 3 is 18, and I'm working with fifths. Okay, now here's our little bit trickier part because I can tell that 18/5 is an improper fraction. So I need to go ahead and change 18/5 into a mixed number. Now I can tell that I'm going to get more than one whole out of this. So I need to skip count by 5 to try to find the closest multiple of 5 to 18 without going over. So I can do 5/5, 10/5, 15/5. So that means that I can get 3 wholes from 18/5, because again, I can make 3 groups of 5/5. All right, so I can get 3 wholes, and then I would have 3/5 left over, because 15 plus 3 gives me that total of 18/5. All right, so now we need to go ahead and combine everything for our final product. So I would have 12 and 3, which would give me 15, and then I have that 3/5. So 6 times 2 3/5 would give me 15 and 3/5. Let's go ahead and look at another one. This time looking at 2. If I switch it to my marker, then it will work. 2 times 7 and 3/10. All right, so let's go ahead and start by doing by completing our computation with our integers first. Switching to green, 2 times 7 would give me 14. All right, and now I'm looking at 2 times 3/10. 3/10 and 3/10, so 6/10. So this is 14 and 6/10. Now, 6/10 is not an improper fraction, so we're done. We're good to go. 14 and 6/10. Let's do one last one. Let's do 3 and 3/8 times 12. All right, so my process is the same in terms of let's first solve our integer computation. 3 times 12 gives me 36. And now let's do my 12 times 3/8. Okay, so I have 3/8, 6/8, 9/8, 12/8, 15/8, 18/8, 21/8, 24/8, 27/8, 30/8, 33/8, 36/8. We could have also thought about, instead of having Miss Moon count all those on her fingers, we can also know that we've already solved 3 times 12, which would give me 36, and then I am working with that 8. But that is how we get that total of 36/8. All right, let's go ahead and break down 36/8, or decompose the, so that way we can rename it as a mixed number. How many wholes, or how many groups of 8/8 can I make? Well, I can do 8/8, 16/8, 24/8, 32/8. So I can count by 8/8 4 times before I go over. So that means that I can make 4 groups of 8/8 or 4 wholes. All right, that would get me to 32/8, and I would still have 4/8 left over because 32 plus 4 gives me that 36. So 36/8 is the same as 4 and 4/8. Okay, so let's go ahead and write our final product. So I have 36 and 4 because I'm combining this 36 and this 36/8, otherwise known as 4 and 4/8. So 36 plus 4 would give me 40. And then I still have that 4/8. So 3 and 3/8 times 12 would give me 40 and 4/8. All right, friends, so that was Eureka Grade 4, Module 5, Lesson 37. I hope that was helpful, and as always, don't forget to complete your practice activity on Google Classroom and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks so much.